Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to upcycle this jacket I had. And if you noticed, I already have lost a couple buttons on this jacket. So my plan is to take off all the buttons and to put these little pansies I've made and put them in place of the buttons. Since I have no plans to buttoning up this jacket, I'm also going to put the little pansies and cover up the buttonholes. So next, I'm going to show you how to make this simple little pansy. Alright, I am using some leftover yarn I had for a previous project. I'm using a size F hook in this case, but you could use whatever yarn and whatever hook size you want. So to start out making my flower or pansies is to make a magic ring. I'm going to chain 1 and put 5 single crochets into this magic ring. And I'm going to pull it shut. I'm going to slip stitch into this first single crochet. I'm going to chain 3. And do 3 double crochets back into that stitch. I'm going to chain 3. I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch. Do another chain 3. And do 3 double crochets into that same stitch. Then I'm going to repeat that around until you make 5 petals. So again, you do chain 3, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3 again, three double crochets into the same stitch. Chain 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 3, 3 double crochets in the same stitch. chain 3, slip stitch into this will be our last stitch, chain 3, double crochets into that same stitch. Chain 3, and finally slip stitch and back into this first stitch. There you have our little flower, our little pansy. I'm going to use the tails to help sew these little flowers into my project. Well, here is the progress on my project. I will have the final project up onto my blog, which I'll have linked in the description. And there you have my tutorial on this simple flower or pansy. And so if you did like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you for watching.